Hey everyone, it's Koinik here, and today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of Ethereum, but not just talking about what it is, but how you can actually make money with it. You see, Ethereum has exploded in popularity, becoming so much more than just a digital currency. With its massive ecosystem and the power of smart contracts, Ethereum is at the forefront of decentralized finance, NFTs, and a whole lot more. And that means there are now more ways than ever to earn Ethereum, whether you're looking for passive income or something a little more hands-on. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 absolute best ways to earn Ethereum right now. We'll explore why each method is so effective, how accessible it is for everyday people, and the potential it holds for the future. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about staking Ethereum. If you're looking for a way to earn passive income with crypto, this is one of the most secure and reliable methods out there. Think of it like putting your money in a high-yield savings account, except instead of a bank, you're securing the entire Ethereum network. With Ethereum's shift to proof of stake, or POS, anyone can become a validator and earn rewards. To do this, you'll need to stake 32 ETH, which I know sounds like a lot, and it is a significant amount of capital, but hear me out. As a validator, you're essentially using your ETH to help verify transactions and keep the network secure. In return for your service, you earn a percentage of newly created Ethereum, which is paid out as staking rewards. It's like getting paid interest for holding onto your ETH. Now, the actual return you can expect from staking varies, but it's generally considered a low-risk, relatively stable way to earn passive income in the crypto world. Plus, with the Ethereum network growing every day, the demand for validators is only going up, which could lead to even better returns in the future. But what if you don't have 32 ETH just lying around? Don't worry, there are still ways to get in on the staking action. Several platforms offer what's called pooled staking, where you can contribute smaller amounts of ETH and join forces with other stakers to reach that 32 ETH threshold. It's a great way to start earning staking rewards with a lower barrier to entry. Staking is an incredibly powerful way to earn passive income with your Ethereum. It's secure, reliable, and as the Ethereum network continues to grow, it's only going to become more profitable over time. Now, let's dive into the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and explore the exciting world of yield farming and liquidity provision. If you're looking for potentially higher returns than staking, this one's for you. DeFi is all about building financial applications on top of the Ethereum blockchain, cutting out the middleman and giving you more control over your money. Yield farming is all about putting your ETH to work in DeFi protocols to earn the best possible returns. It involves lending or staking your crypto assets in liquidity pools in exchange for rewards. These rewards can come in the form of interest, transaction fees, or even additional tokens. One popular way to yield farm is by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. These DEXs allow you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users without going through a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Binance. To facilitate these trades, DEXs need liquidity providers. That's where you come in. By providing your ETH to a liquidity pool, you're essentially acting as a market maker, enabling others to trade seamlessly. In return for your contribution, you earn a portion of the trading fees generated by the DEX. Platforms like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound are some of the biggest names in DeFi, offering a wide range of yield farming opportunities. But here's the thing with yield farming. It can get complicated, and it's not without risks. The DeFi space is constantly evolving, with new protocols and strategies popping up all the time. It's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Yield farming and liquidity provision can be a great way to earn high returns on your Ethereum, but it's not for the faint of heart. Make sure you understand the ins and outs before you jump in headfirst. Chapter 3, the Ethereum Mining Era, a look back at the OG way to earn ETH. Let's rewind the clock and talk about Ethereum mining. Now, with Ethereum's transition to proof of stake, mining isn't what it used to be, but it's still an important part of Ethereum's history, and a method that earned a lot of people a lot of money. Back in the day when Ethereum used the proof of work or POW consensus mechanism, miners were the backbone of the network. These miners were essentially solving complex mathematical problems using powerful computers to validate transactions and add new blocks to the Ethereum blockchain. It was a competitive landscape with miners racing to solve these problems first and earn the valuable block rewards which were paid out in, you guessed it, Ethereum. As Ethereum's popularity exploded, so did the difficulty of mining, leading to an arms race for more and more powerful mining hardware. However, with the transition to proof of stake, traditional mining is no longer a viable option for earning Ethereum. The good news is that if you were a miner who held onto your ETH, you're likely sitting on a nice little profit right now. And if you're interested in the technical aspects of blockchain technology, exploring the world of mining can still be a fascinating rabbit hole to go down. While Ethereum mining is no longer a way to earn ETH, it played a crucial role in the network's early days and paved the way for the innovative approaches we see today. Chapter 4: The creative way to earn, how NFTs are revolutionizing the digital world and your earning potential. Let's talk about the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, because this is where things get really interesting. NFTs have exploded in popularity, and Ethereum is the leading platform for creating, buying, selling, and trading these unique digital assets. NFTs have opened up a whole new world for creators to monetize their work and connect with their audiences in a whole new way. Think about it. NFTs can represent anything digital. Digital art, music, videos, collectibles, virtual real estate, even tweets. And because each NFT is unique and can't be replicated, it has value in the digital world. If you're a creator, you can create and sell your own NFTs directly to collectors, cutting out the middleman and keeping a larger portion of the profits. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Nifty Gateway have made it easier than ever for artists to showcase and sell their work. But it's not just about creating and selling NFTs. You can also earn Ethereum by trading them. Just like with physical collectibles, the value of NFTs can fluctuate based on demand, scarcity, and the reputation of the creator. If you have a knack for spotting undervalued NFTs or predicting trends, you could potentially earn some serious ETH through NFT trading. NFTs are changing the game for creators and collectors alike. It's a whole new world of possibilities, and if you're creative or have a keen eye for digital assets, NFTs could be your ticket to earning Ethereum. Chapter 5: Ethereum Trading Strategies for Profiting from Price Volatility. Finally, let's talk about trading Ethereum, the OG strategy for profiting in the crypto world. Trading Ethereum is all about capitalizing on the price volatility of ETH, buying low and selling high to make a profit. It's a strategy that has worked incredibly well for some people, but it's also important to remember that it comes with its fair share of risks. There are two main approaches to trading Ethereum: short-term trading and long-term investing. Short-term traders, also known as day traders or swing traders, aim to profit from small price fluctuations that happen within hours, days, or weeks. They use technical analysis, chart patterns, and market indicators to identify trading opportunities and try to time the market perfectly. Long-term investors, on the other hand, take a more patient approach. They believe in the long-term potential of Ethereum and hold on to their ETH for months, years, or even decades, riding out the volatility and hoping to benefit from the overall upward trend of the market. Regardless of your trading style, it's crucial to have a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency market, risk management strategies, and technical analysis tools. There are tons of resources available online, including educational platforms, trading communities, and even mentors who can help you learn the ropes. Remember, trading Ethereum can be a roller coaster ride. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires a lot of research, patience, and a solid understanding of the market. But if you do your homework and approach it strategically, it can be a lucrative way to earn ETH. So there you have it. The 5 best ways to earn Ethereum right now. Whether you're looking for a secure way to earn passive income with staking, want to explore the high-yield world of DeFi and yield farming, or are ready to dive into the exciting world of NFTs or trading, Ethereum offers a world of opportunities. The best method for you will depend on your individual risk tolerance, experience level, and financial goals. Do your research, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto world is constantly evolving, so staying informed is key. But one thing's for sure, Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about finance, art, and the internet itself. And by understanding the different ways to earn Ethereum, you're not just setting yourself up for potential financial gains. You're positioning yourself at the forefront of this exciting technological revolution.